Hello students, so I hope you all are doing fine out there. We are doing exercise 21E from trigonometry, isn't it? So in our previous videos we have completed till question number 10 and today we'll start from question number 11 onward. Okay, so let's begin. This is question number 11, 1 of 11 from exercise 21E. So let's do this. So the given condition is 4 cos square A minus 3 equals to 0 and angle A lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Angle A is greater than or equal to 0 degree and less than or equal to 90 degree, which means the value of angle A lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. The value of angle A can be 0 degree or greater than 0 degree, or the value of angle A can be 90 degree or less than 90 degree. Okay, not greater than 90 degree and not lesser than 0 degree. Angle A lies between these two values. Okay, and this is the given condition to us, so we are asked to prove this. Sin 3a equals to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. This is the equation which we are asked to prove. Okay, so let's do this. Since first let us write the given condition, 4 cos square a minus 3 equals to 0. This is the given condition, or 4 cos square a equals to, let us take this minus 3 to the right hand side, becomes plus 3, or cos square a equals to 3 upon this 4 goes to the denominator by cross multiplication, isn't it? Because we have 4 into cos square a, 4 into cos square a, here we have into, this number goes to the denominator. Okay, or cos square, we have square here, let us take this square to the right hand side, cos a equals to, if we take this square to the right hand side, it becomes root under 3 upon 4. Okay, square when we take to the right hand side becomes root, or cos a equals to, here 3 has no pair, so we write root under 3. 3 is only 1, but 4 can be written as 2 into 2, isn't it? This means 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4 means 3 upon 2 into 2, isn't it? 3 upon 4 means 3 upon 2 into 2. Now see, 3 is only 1, no pair, so we write root 3 as it is. Now this 2 and 2 we make the pair and free the root. Okay, root free, root 3 by 2. Are you getting me? I hope so. 2 and 2 we make the pair and take out of the root. This 3 is single number, so root remains for 3. Okay, now or cos a equals to root 3 by 2 means cos 30 degree, isn't it? We know the value, cos 30 degree means root 3 by 2. Okay, so let me continue here. Root 3 by 2 means cos 30 degree, so instead of root 3 by 2 we write cos 30 degree. Now we cannot cancel cos and cos because this cos is a trigonometrical identity. Okay, trigonometrical identity cannot be cancelled. We just can leave cos and cos from both the sides, from the left hand side as well as right hand side. So here we have a equals to 30 degree, or a equals to 30 degree. Now we found the value of angle A. Angle A lies between 0 degree and 90 degree, so A is 30 degree, which is greater than 0 degree and lesser than 90 degree, isn't it? So we found the value of angle A. Now we will prove this. Okay, number 1, LHS. Left hand side we have sin 3a, isn't it? Sin 3a, so sin 3 into a means 30 degree, isn't it? Sin is sin, 3 is 3, this 3 comes here, a means 30 degree. This means sin 3 into 30 means 3 3s are 9, sin 90 degree, sin 90 degree means 1. Okay, the value of sin 90 degree is 1. Number 2, right hand side, RHS. RHS we have 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. 3 sine A minus 4 sine cube A. This is right hand side. Okay, so 3 sine A means 30 degree. A means 30 degree. We put the value of A minus 4 sine cube A means 30 degree. Okay, so 3 sine 30. Sine 30 means 1 by 2, isn't it? Sine 30 means 1 by 2 minus 4 sine 30 means 1 by 2, and this is cubed, isn't it? So we must put cube, sine cubed. Okay, so this is 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2 minus 4 into 1 cubed is 1, 1 into 1 into 1 is 1, so 2 cubed is 8. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8, or 3 by 2 minus we have 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay, now let me continue here. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So 2 2, same. LCM, we take the LCM. LCM will be 2. So 2 1s are this 2, isn't it? So 1 into 3 is 3 minus 1. 2 1s are 2, that 1 into 1 is 1. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2. So we have 1. In the left hand side also we got 1, and in the right hand side also we got 1. This means therefore LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Okay, hence proved. I hope you got this. Now let's do question number 2. Okay, 2 of 11. So we are asked to prove cos 3a equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay, so let's start with left hand side. LHS equals to cos 3a. Cos 3a, isn't it? So cos 3 into a means 30 degree. A means 30 degree. So this is cos 3 into 30 is 90 degree. 3 3 is a 9, 3 0 is a 0. Okay, so cos 90 means 0, isn't it? Cos 90 means 0. Now we have right hand side RHS. RHS equals to 4 cos cube a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay, so this is 4 cos cube a means 30 degree minus 3 cos a means 30 degree. The value of a is 30 degree, isn't it? We have found out from this equation. So 4 cos 30 degree means root 3 by 2 cube. So we must put the cube here. Minus 3 cos 30 means root 3 by 2. Okay, so this is 4. Now root 3 cube. Root 3 cube means 3 root 3. Okay, root 3 cubed means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. Root 3 multiplied 3 times. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 into root 3. Okay, so root 3 cubed means 3 root 3 upon 2 cubed means 8, isn't it? 2 1 is 2, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 2 2 2. 2 multiplied 3 times. 2 cubed means 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8. Okay, now minus 3 into root 3. 3 into root 3 upon 2. So 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. 1 upon 3 root 3, sorry, 1 into 3 root 3, 3 root 3 upon 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 2. Same number, isn't it? 3 root 3 upon 2, 3 root 3 upon 2 minus 3 root 3 upon 2. Same number, opposite sign. This is plus and this is minus. So this gives us 0, isn't it? So in the left hand side we have 0 and in the right hand side also we got 0. This means LHS equals to RHS. LHS equals to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, so let's do the next question. Question number 1 of 12. Find A if angle A lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, the value of angle A should be equal to 0 degree or greater than 0 degree and should be equal to 90 degree or less than 90 degree. A should lie in between 0 degree and 90 degree, not lesser than 0 degree and not greater than 90 degree. So we are provided with this equation, 2 cos square A minus 1 equals to 0. We are asked to find the value of angle A. Okay, so let's do this. Since 2 cos square A minus 1 equals to 0 or 2 cos square A equals to, let's take this minus 1 to the right hand side, we have plus 1 here, isn't it? Minus 1 becomes plus 1, or cos square A equals to 1, this 2 goes to the denominator, 1 upon 2, or cos A equals to, this square when we take to the right hand side becomes root under 1 upon 2. Okay, so cos A equals to, so root under 1 means 1, 1 to the power 100 means 1, 1 to the power x means 1, 1 to the power minus 100 upon 5 means 1. What do I mean by this is 1 to the power any number is 1. Okay, 1 to the power any number equals to 1. 1 to the power any number is always 1. 1 to the power 0, 1. 1 to the power minus 5, 1. Okay, 1 to the power any number is always 1. So root 1 means 1 to the power 1 upon 2, isn't it? Root 1 means 1 to the power 1 upon 2. So this means 1. Okay, 1 to the power any number is always equal to 1. So root under 1 means 1 upon, here we have root 2 in the denominator, isn't it? So root 1 by root 2. Root 1 means 1. Root 2 means we don't have the pair of these two, so we keep as it is, root 2. Okay, so 1 upon root 2, or cos A equals to cos 45 degree, because the value of cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2, isn't it? The value of cos 45 degree is 1 upon root 2. So we should not cancel this cos and cos, okay, but we can leave cos from both the sides. Just leaving cos from both the sides of this equation, A equals to, therefore A equals to, we have 45 degree. Okay, so let's do question number 2. Let's do question number 2 of 12. The value of angle A should lie in between 0 degree and 90 degree. So given equation is sin 3a minus 1 equals to 0. From this equation we are asked to find the value of angle A, whose value should not be lesser than 0 degree and should not be greater than 90 degree. Okay, so let's do this. Since sin 3a minus 1 equals to 0, this is the given condition, sin 3a minus 1 equals to 0, or sin 3a equals to, let's take this minus 1 to the right hand side, we have plus 1, isn't it? Minus 1 when we take to the right hand side becomes plus 1, or sin 3a equals to 1 means sin 90 degree. Sin 90, the value of sin 90 is 1, or we leave sign from both the sides. Okay, sin, we should not cancel this sign, we just leave the sign. 3a equals to 90 degree. Sin is left from both the sides, so 3a, angle 3a equals to angle 90 degree, or a equals to 90, this is 90, isn't it? 90 upon this 3 comes down to the denominator. So 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 0 is 0. Therefore the value of angle A is 30 degree. So let's do question number 3. Okay, now let's do question number 3 of 12. So we are asked to find the value of A. A should not be less than 0 degree and should not be greater than 90 degree. The value of A should lie in between 0 and 90 degree. Okay, so the given equation is 4 sin square A minus 3 equals to 0. From this we are asked to find the value of angle A, isn't it? So let's do this. Since 4 sin square A minus 3 equals to 0, or 4 sine square A equals to minus 3 we take to the right hand side, becomes plus 3 sine square A equals to 3 upon this 4 goes to the denominator, or sine A equals to, we take this square to the right hand side, becomes the root 3 upon 4, isn't it? Or sine A equals to root under 3 upon 4 means 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, or sine, let me continue here, sine A equals to, now 3 is single number, it doesn't have pair, so root remains for 3, and here we have 2 pairs, isn't it? Pair of 2, isn't it? 2 and 2 make a pair, and we remove the root. Now we have single 2. So sine A equals to root 3 by 2, or sine A equals to sine 60 degree, because the value of sine 60 degree is root 3 by 2, isn't it? So if you do not know the values of this trigonometrical tables, you can watch the video. Okay, I have already uploaded the separate video for that, how to construct a trigonometrical table and memorize its values. You can find the values, you can find that video in the playlist. Okay, or sine A equals to sine 60 degree, so we just leave this sine and sine, and we have A equals to 60 degree. So the value of angle A is 60 degree. So let's do the next question. 4 of 12. So we are asked to find the value of angle A, and angle A lies in between 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay, angle A should not be less than 0 degree and should not be greater than 90 degree. Angle A can be 0 degree or greater than 0 degree, and angle A can be 90 degree or lesser than 90 degree, but not greater than 90 degree and not lesser than 0 degree. Angle A should lie in between 0 and 90. Okay, so this is the given equation to us, cos square A minus cos A equals to 0. From this equation we are asked to find the value of angle A, isn't it? So let's do this, or let's take cos A common from this. Cos A is taken common. Okay, here we have cos square A and here we have cos A. So cos A is taken common. Cos A into cos A. Cos A into cos A gives us cos square A. Okay, plus into minus, plus into minus, minus. Cos A into 1. Cos A into 1, cos A equals to 0. Now we have cos A into cos A minus 1. Bracket means into, isn't it? Times, multiplication. So cos A when multiplied with cos A minus 1 gives us 0. Okay, suppose we have A into B equals to 0, means left hand side equals to right hand side. Equals to means left hand side, and the value of left hand side and the value of right hand side should be equal. Should be equal, isn't it? You cannot write 2 equals to 5. This is never true. 2 is not equal to 5. If you write 2 equals to 5, this is absolutely wrong, isn't it? So left hand side and right hand side should be equal. So you can write 2 equals to 2, or 0 equals to 0, or 5 equals to 5. Okay, the value in the left hand side and the value in the right hand side should be equal, then only you can put equal sign in between the two numbers. Okay, we know this, isn't it? So if A into B equals to 0, then either A should be equals to 0, so that when you multiply 0 into B, you get 0 in the right hand side. 0 into B gives us 0. 0 when multiplied with any number gives us 0, isn't it? So, or B should be equals to 0, so that A into 0 gives us 0. A into 0 is 0, isn't it? Either A should be equal to 0 or B should be equal to 0, or both of them should be equal to 0. 0 into 0 gives us 0. So, to satisfy this equation, equal to, satisfy means so that the value of the left hand side and the right hand side becomes equal, so that you can put an equal to sign in between left hand side and right hand side. Either A should be equal to 0 or B should be equal to 0, or both of them should be equal to 0, then only you will get the result 0 as in the right hand side, and you can put equal to sign in between them, isn't it? So what I mean by this is either cos A should be equal to 0 or cos A minus 1 should be equal to 0, so that when you multiply these two numbers you get 0, isn't it? Therefore, or you can write cos A should be 0 or cos A minus 1 should be equal to 0. Two cases, either cos A should be equal to 0 or cos A minus 1 equal to 0. Which is 0 you do not know, or both of them should be equal to 0. Then only you will get the product of these two numbers as 0 in the right hand side, and you can put equal to sign in between them. Okay, so if cos A equals to 0, cos A equals to 0. 0 means cos 90 degree, isn't it? 0 means cos 90 degree. Oh, cos 90 degree means 0. Or cos A minus 1 equals to 0 means, let's take this minus 1 to the right hand side, plus 1. Now let's leave cos and cos from these two, left hand side and right hand side. We have A equals to 90 degree, or cos A equals to 1 means cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree, the value of cos 0 degree is 1. So we leave cos and cos from both the sides. A equals to 0 degree. Therefore, we have two values of A, either 0 degree or 90 degree. Okay, I hope you got this. The value of A is either 0 degree or 90 degree. A can be 0 degree or 90 degree, but not less than 0 degree and not greater than 90 degree. Okay, equal to, A is either equal to or greater than 0 degree. A is either equal to or lesser than 90 degree. Can be 0 degree and can be 90 degree, but not lesser than 0 degree and not greater than 90 degree. Okay, I hope you got this. Now let's do the next question. Okay, now let us do question number 5 of 12. Okay, so we are asked to find the value of angle A. Angle A should lie in between 0 degree and 90 degree, should not be less than 0 degree and should not be greater than 90 degree. Okay, angle A can be 0 degree or can be 90 degree, or less than 90 degree or greater than 0 degree, but should not be lesser than 0 degree and greater than 90 degree. So let's do this question. So this is the equation given to us, 2 cos square A plus cos A minus 1 equals to 0, and from this we are asked to find the value of angle A. Okay, so or 2 cos square A plus, this is cos A, okay, minus, this minus comes here, so 1 means sin square A plus cos square A equals to 0. Okay, or 2 cos square A plus cos A minus into plus minus sin square A minus into plus minus cos square A equals to 0, or 2 cos square A plus and minus cos square A. 2 cos square A minus cos square A is cos square A, isn't it? This is plus and this is minus. 2 cos square A minus cos square A is cos square A. So sign of greater number comes here, plus. So this is plus cos A equals to, okay, we take minus sin square A to the right hand side, sin square A plus sin square A, isn't it? Or let's take cos A common, cos A. So we have cos A into cos A. Cos A into cos A gives us cos square A, plus into plus, plus into plus, plus cos A into 1, cos A into 1, cos A equals to, this is sin square A, isn't it? Sin square A means 1 minus cos square A. Since we know that sin square A plus cos square A equals to 1, so sin square A equals to 1 minus cos square A. So, or cos A into cos A plus 1 equals to 1 minus cos square A can be considered as 1 square minus cos square A, because 1 square is 1, isn't it? So 1 can be assumed as 1 square. So 1 square minus cos square A means A square minus B square. This means A plus B into a minus b. Okay, so this cos a plus 1 goes to the denominator. Cos a, I write here as it is, equals to 1 plus cos a into 1 minus cos a, isn't it? So this cos a plus 1 here we have into, so this number goes to the denominator. Cos a plus 1, cos a plus 1. So this 1 plus cos a and cos a plus 1 same thing, cos a plus 1 and 1 plus cos a. So we can cancel these two numbers. Okay, so here we have, now let me continue here. Here we have cos a in the left hand side, cos a equals to, in the right hand side these two numbers are already cancelled, equals to 1 minus cos a, isn't it? 1 minus cos a, or cos a, let's bring this minus cos a to the right hand side, plus cos a equals to, we have 1 in the right hand side, or cos a plus cos a, 2 cos a equals to 1. This means cos a equals to, this 2 goes to the denominator, 1 upon 2, or cos a equals to 1 upon 2 means cos 60 degree, isn't it? The value of cos 60 is 1 upon 2, or a equals to cos, we leave cos from both the sides, a equals to 60 degree. Okay, so we were asked to find the value of angle a, and the value of angle a is 60 degree. Okay, I hope you got this. This was for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll continue the remaining questions in the upcoming video. Okay, thank you.